At the Design Engineering and Manufacturing Solutions Expo in Tokyo, this pen assembly robot was on display. Now, it might not be the most practical solution for this kind of a problem, that being putting together a pen. It might be easier if this task was performed among a number of robots along an assembly line. But the fact that this company, Keyence, could get one robot to pull off all of these many different tasks was impressive. It's a complicated setup of a lot of sensors, visual and pressurized. And you can just have a look here at the entire process from start to finish and see exactly how complex this is.